Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today guys we are going to talk about guys this phone color problem, how to solve in Infinix phone. So friends, you have guys this color problem guys, you can see your icon color is different. So how can you solve this problem in your Infinix phone? In this video friends, I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So friends, we call it guys color correction setting friends, and guys how to solve color correction in Infinix phone. Today I will tell you and I will show you in this video. So when first of all open your phone setting. After phone setting guys, you will have to scroll friends. You can see guys your Infinix phone setting. So friends, we will scroll and guys you can see your special function setting. Click here. Last one accessibility setting, click here. Then guys again scroll. Friends, you can see color correction setting, friends, tap here. Friends, you can use guys your color correction setting from here. Guys, you can see this notification about color correction. So friends, you want to solve this problem guys, you can solve guys, you can see this icon on your screen guys, you will have to click on front of this use color correction mode setting, tap here, then guys this problem will solve, your screen color is normal, you can see. So like that guys, you can solve your color correction mode setting in your Infinix phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye friends.